Everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to pay bills using the RBC mobile app. Alright, let's get this precise, current and accurate step-by-step guide for paying the bills using the RBC mobile app. Number 1, you need to open or launch your RBC mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Next, you enter your client's card number or username and your password. Next, you have to navigate. Once you're logged in, you need to locate and tap the Move Money option. This is the central hub for transfers and payments within the app. Now, within the Move Money section, you will find the Pay Bill option. Tap it. Choose the RBC account from which you want to make the payment, e.g. your checking account. Now, if you have paid the biller before, they may appear in a list of existing payees. Select them. If you need to add a new payer, add a new payee, tap on Add a Payee. You can also search for the company name. Also, RBC has a feature that allows you to scan a bill to add the payee. Enter the required account information, that is your account number with the biller. Next, you confirm the pay details. Enter the amount you want to pay. Carefully review all the payment details to ensure accuracy and confirm the payment. You will receive a confirmation message with a confirmation number. It's advisable to keep this for your records. Now, here are some key points for accuracy. The RBC mobile app itself may have the built-in help or tutorial section. Use this for the most up-to-date guidance. Don't forget to snap a photo, pay your bills feature. What does this mean? Don't forget the snap a photo and pay your bills feature. What does this mean? RBC emphasizes their feature that allows you to add payees by taking a photo of your bill. This can streamline the process. Banking apps are frequently updated, so ensure your RBC mobile app is up to date to have the latest feature and security. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.